Hello from RADE Garage to everyone. Let me speak today about two legends. The big one, the KTM LC8, the Meonis bike that started actually the adventure era at KTM. And the second legend is the RADE Garage RR kit for KTM 990. We are proud to say there are over 1,000 customers worldwide with this bike and RADE Garage RADE kit. The RR kit is actually the oldest item in RADE Garage portfolio. I did it in 2013 before my trip through the Silkway because I wanted to look like Meoni. I wanted to have a stronger LED headlights and more space for navigation. And these are exactly the benefits why the RR kit is very popular among the KTM 90 adventure owners. The design of the windshield is over the years all the time the same. We only improve the fitting, nice rounded edges, and we add a seal under the headlights cover. But the manufacturing technology has changed. Now the windshield is made out of the carbon prepreg in autoclave under high pressure and temperature. Actually, the same manufacturing technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on ready factory motorbikes. The safety feature of the 990 RR kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and the low beam. They have the input of 70 watts and 6,000 lumens, which is more than double in comparison to the original halogen headlamp. And we get this great performance from the original Cree chipset and true glass optics. The headlights are road legal with ECE certification across all Europe. And you will get copy of the certificate within the box of the headlights. In the RR kit, you can comfortably fit even big navigation tablet in the great viewpoint. In summary, with the KTM 990 RR kit, you will get more space for navigation, the strong LED headlights, and mainly your bike will look like the Meonis one. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.